Hello, in this video I will guide you how to put a picture behind text in Microsoft Word or moving images behind text. So this is very simple and very easy. Let's get started. First you need to select the paragraph where you want to put the picture. So for this you need to click on the insert and click on the pictures, and after that click on this device to select the picture. So select the picture of your choice. For example, I have this picture, and here you can see that the picture is inserted on the page. You can drag it to make it small, or moreover you cannot move the image on the page. So you need to do is click on this layout option, and after that you need to select the square. Now you can see that the picture is moving anywhere on the Word document. So we want to this picture behind text, so you need to select the picture, click on that, and after that you will see there is a picture format option, and after that you need to select on the wrap text, and you need to click on the behind text. So now you can see that the picture is in on the behind the text. So in this way you can easily put your picture behind the text. So this is very easy. So I hope this video helps you to understand the process. So please support my channel. Thanks for watching.